The filling line is currently paused to address rising particle counts which pose a contamination risk. We have protocols in place for cleaning and investigation, but we need to assess the potential impact on production timelines. What immediate steps should we take to rectify this situation?
Current conditions at the refinery show visible smoke rising from the facility, accompanied by an amber beacon flashing urgently.
We currently have a FOD incident on the flight line which has impacted readiness. Maintenance crews are assessing the affected aircraft and preliminary checks indicate potential damage. Immediate action involves securing the area and initiating a thorough inspection. Do you have any questions or need clarification?
A worker is currently trapped in the trench and we face immediate risks of secondary collapse.
The collision scene shows significant damage to the container ship, with oil visibly leaking into the water. We face significant legal ramifications from this breach, including potential fines and lawsuits due to non-compliance with data protection laws.